¿Qué onda? What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Cooking with Pride, Cocinando con Orgullo. My name is Edgar, and today we're gonna be making chilorio. So you guys are gonna get to try my chilorio. Hey, but not like that. Unless you buy me dinner and a bottle of wine, then we'll see. But this dish is from Sinaloa. It's a slow-cooked pork dish. It's shredded and then it's cooked in a very robust, very flavorful chile sauce. So enough small talk. All my plebitos, plebitas, let's get cooking. I'm going to be using an entire orange, Roma tomatoes, chile negro, the long ones here, chile ancho is the dried pasilla, and onion and a half, a stick of cinnamon, apple cider vinegar, garlic, tiny pinch of oregano, a tiny pinch of marjoram. Now they look the same, but they're completely different and they smell completely different, so don't get it twisted. Raisins, ground cumin, a tablespoon, 1 allspice, and macizo, which is pork cushion. So before I boil my chiles, I want to toast them a little bit on the comal. So these are our chile anchos. I'm just going to throw them on here. I already seeded them, see? I have hot water right here for them. You don't want to over toast them because they're going to turn bitter. So you're just going to give them a little bit of color. Our chile negro, which is the longer ones. It's chile chilaca. Looks like a long dried black banana peel. In this little pot I have the boiling water with the chiles. We're just going to rehydrate them. 4 Roma tomatoes. 2 garlic cloves, 1 little quarter of an onion. So while your pork is cooking, we're going to make the sauce really quick. So I have here the chiles, tomatoes, onion, and the water. 1/3 of a cup of orange juice. 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. 1, 2, 3, 4 garlic cloves. Marjoram, just a little pinch. A little pinch of oregano. 3 bay leaves. A little piece of cinnamon stick, and 1 allspice, and a tablespoon of cumin, half of an onion, and 1/4. And last but not least, our raisins. All right, plebitos y plebitas. The next step is to strain your sauce. So, alright, let's cook our puerco. Three garlic cloves, 1/2 of an onion, 3 bay leaves, and thyme. Kidding, thyme. Salt. All right, everyone. So our pork is cooking. If you can see here, all the liquid has been reduced. What you want to do is just break this meat down. So break this down. Gonna let them get a little bit crispy on the bottom. Stir them again. Then we're gonna add our sauce. All right, so I let this sit for a little bit while it gets crispy on the bottom. I didn't use any oil at all actually, or lard. Remember, I seared this before I even started boiling it. Now we add our chile. The Diana method. Got our little brown bits from the bottom. Put it down on low. Cook it down for at least 20 minutes. Let's make a small little salsa for our chilorio. You can make the salsa for anything really, but I'm making it for the chilorio. So right here I have cilantro, tomatillos, and serrano chilies that I boiled. I didn't boil the cilantro, just the tomatillos and the chile. We're gonna put it in the blender. Cilantro, chiles, tomatillos, and an avocado. Salt. I like to add a little bit of pepper. We usually don't use pepper in salsas just because we don't. So you can leave that out. And 1 cup of water. I want to add 1 lime, the juice of 1 lime, to keep the avocado fresh. Blend. Crema oaxaqueña. I love this sour cream because it's nice and salty. Salsa de tomatillo.
Can you leave some of that at home? That is not fair.
Alright, cabrones y cabronas, hay que hacernos unos burritos de chilorio. Let's make some chilorio burritos. So what I have here is refried beans that I made. I have a video for this, I need to put it up. But let's put a little bit of beans, our chilorio, look at that. This is not an Americanized burrito, this is a Mexican burrito. Everyone thinks that burritos are huge, they're actually not. Nuestra salsa or salsa, this shit is hot, so be careful. A little bit of lemon juice. And we roll this up. There you go. And another one. I just want you to see that. Put a little bit of limon. So simple. There you have it. Chilorio burritos. Alright, y'all. This is Cooking with Pride. Cocinando con orgullo. These are my chilorio burritos. Look at that. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me on this episode. It was really fun making this dish. Oh my god, it's so fucking bomb, bitch. I hope you guys have as much fun making this as I did. It's actually on the healthier side, but thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please like, please share, and I will see you all next time. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye.